sponsor Moona Biotech, Dolly Rose Dresses, Oversource Farms, John Contour Crepes, Bangkok Songban, Brows and Beauty Spa, Lord Chiropractic, Fanhu Hmong Clothes, Yao Zhang, Miss Hmong Central Valley 2017 Wiki Chain, Beauty by Jen, Pia Gosuli Hmong Artist. Georgia, lady number B.
Leilani Vaj, 15 years old from Merced, California.
Just sponsored Leilani Vaj, Lee's Community Food Market, Saya Realtor License, London Properties, Vilaya, Patava, Limua, Gia Mua, G Vane, Monique Zontuan, Naola Vane, May Mua, Nails by Neava, and Yang Zhang. Contestant number 5. Just sponsored Sangam de Toshitu Janaya, Lee's Market. Here Miss Hmong National USA South Asian Kitchen.
for contestant number 6.
Fresno, California.
The sponsors who brought her and supported her today is Fresno Hmong Inc., Amanda Moore, Miss Hmong USA first runner-up, Minty Fresno, Choya, Miss Hmong, Wisconsin first runner-up 2026 to 27, Michelle Chang, Melinda Hyung, Hmong Mini Mall, Decompose, R3X Studio, Sandy Tong, and Emily Yang.
我的一种值得对讲成功主，咁我平時差不多一種 Moona 都是啲都未望成功主。路差到就對咗你就只要都一的那啲人嘅，俾我係咪 popularity vote？咁你說了冇參加啲幫把到呢種菜，我呢要起價了冇 miss popularity，每路切舊時咧，等一差到家呢，咁你冇幫把中了呢，一度呢接到一路 vote，然後呢係真係到俾做你自己呢種人嘅，咁你說到把冇講地，誒幫把到俾種菜 miss popularity 就一啲價啲我中到。
There is a popularity award where those would like to place a vote for your favorite girl today. There is a tent at the back, a white tent where you can place a vote, $1 a vote for your girl. And you will see it if you walk straight down and you make a left, there will be a white tent and you can get 1 vote for your girl.
其他人ที่ขอปองบ้าน嘅ต่อการเราที่ออฟทาง嘅ไปมัวรู้จงปองบ้านเราเกิดนั่น After the second round will be your final